Do you know how to choose best online course for you? If you do not know, then this video is for you. There are thousands of online courses and platforms, but many of you may not know how to choose the right courses that fits with your career. In this video, you'll get some tips and tricks for choosing the right online course for you. It is really important to find the right online course for you. Starting a course that doesn't suit you can quickly put you off learning and knock your confidence. But when there are thousands of online courses, how can you choose the right one? Here are some simple advice you can follow to find the courses that is a good fit for you. Number 1. Decide your own criteria. Before you start looking for a course, try to establish exactly what you want or need from it. Try and answer these questions. First questions. Are you learning for work or for fun? Second questions. How long can you spend learning a week? And the third questions. Are you looking to develop a specific skill? If so, what is that skill? Fourth questions. What topics are you especially interested in? Then you should consider the course criteria. There are 8 criteria. And these are: is the college or university accredited? Is the course of study reputable? What is the schedule? Will your credits transfer? What modality of instruction does the program offer? What is the instructor's availability? How easy to use is the course software? Does the college or university offer adequate technical assistance? Secondly, you need to know about the course provider. Here I can recommend you some best online course providers. And these are Coursera, edX, lynda.com, Udemy, Udacity, FutureLearn, Khan Academy, Hubspot, Skillshare, Semrush, Code Academy. I hope you already got the idea about which course platform you are going to use. Now the next task is spend some time exploring. Now you have a clear idea of what you need from a course. Spend some time browsing courses. If you know the topic or area you are interested in, you might want to search directly. Suppose you are interested in digital marketing course. Just search digital marketing course in Google. You might get 5 to 10 courses about digital marketing from the similar platform or different platform of your chosen course provider. Choose courses that match as many of your criteria as possible. Thirdly, read the course description thoroughly. This step is one of the most important steps. Take some time to read all courses description thoroughly, making sure you understand what the course is about. Who is the instructor? Just Google it to know about the instructor's profile. What is on the syllabus and what you will learn by the end of the course. How many students have enrolled this course? It indicates that how much valuable and popular this course. Then ratings of this course. It is also important to know the value of the course. How many people get job after completing this course? If you do any course from Coursera, you find that they mention that how many people get job after completing this course. Does it include free or paid certificate? The required time of this course. That means how much time will this course take? Whether do you have enough time or not? Does the course have assessment? Remember, assessment course hold high value than non-assessment course. Resource the course will provide, and the students' review about the course is also important. You need to consider it. It is also important at the point to know whether does the course have lifetime access or not. Okay, now I hope you are very much close to select your best courses using this criteria. For example, you choose 5 courses on digital marketing, namely Course A, Course B, Course C, Course D, and Course E. After reading the description of all of the courses, you find Course A doesn't match with your criteria, then it is cross. Then you read the description of course B, you find it doesn't match with your criteria, then it is cross again. And you go through the description of course C and you find it matches with many of your criteria, then you should give a tick mark here. And you should go through course D and it doesn't match with your criteria, then it is also cross. And you go for course C, it also doesn't match with your criteria, then it is cross also. That means that among 5 courses, course C matches with all of your criteria, so you should go for course C at first. So I hope that in this way you will be able to find your best online courses that will help you to boost your career, and it will hold the value of your CV. So don't do whatever course you find, rather you need to choose the best online course for you to get the high value from this course and build your career. Thank you.